Greetings, Illumina family. Johanna Bell here, and welcome to our new and expanded online portal. So we have chosen what we're now calling a mirror of the month. And the mirror of the month is literally a concept or a metaphor that you can look into for self-reflection. So this month, our reopening month as an online platform, we have chosen the idea of sanctuary. So it conjures up so many different ideas, but for me, I was really feeling the need to create an online sanctuary for the escalated, transformative energies that are pervading this particular time in our collective journey. Also, we are at the cusp of fall, and even though we are enjoying the beauty of warm days, we're starting to see that the winds are starting to build and the nights are becoming cool, and it's almost as if the cells of the body can feel change, the mantra of change, deepening and quickening. And so as we move into this transformational time in so many ways in our collective journey, it is doubly important that we find sanctuary within ourselves, that we find a place of rest, rejuvenation, and amplification of all our brightest qualities. And so we can find the sanctuary within ourselves. And once we find that sanctuary within, that still calm space of neutral mind and compassionate heart, then we have the capacity to hold sanctuary for other beings. So I would love to share with you a very simple meditation. It comes through the Kundalini tradition. I do not know its name, but it stands alone. It works with the mudra, Hakini mudra, which is known as a 6th chakra mudra. It is a mudra of the neutral mind. You place it at the heart space. Heart space is the brightest sanctuary within us all. It's that space of compassionate awareness and spaciousness. So as you place it here, you'll be chanting a 5 count. The chant is internal and silent. You'll be chanting 5 counts on an inhale, holding for 5, and exhaling for 5. The mantra that goes with that silently is Sat Nam Wa He Guru. So that's 5 beats, right? And then you hold as you chant internally Sat Nam Wa He Guru. And then as you exhale, you're chanting Sat Nam Wa He Guru. So there's another layer that I'd love to share with you that I discovered in doing this meditation, which is, you notice that I have this beautiful pyramid shape here of Hakini Mudra. Holding that there, you're holding the upward pointing triangle of rising consciousness. Now, if you imagine as you breathe, Sat Nam Wa He Guru, and then as you hold the breath, you're creating a horizontal line, Sat Nam Wa He Guru. And then Sat Nam, as you exhale, Wa He Guru, you create the downward pointing triangle of the manifesting current. And there, within this mudra and within the mantra, within the breath, you are creating the sacred geometry of the pure and expansive heart, which is the greatest sanctuary that exists beyond time and space. So we will tune in with the Adi Mantra, and then I will proceed to talk you through the meditation. I'll go silent after a while, and we will close eventually with Satnam. So joining your hands in prayer. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Take a deep breath in. Maintain the breath for a moment, hold it, lift the pelvic floor, and just feel the energy rise within you. And exhale. So finding that beautiful shape of Hakini Mudra, all the fingertips touching and pressing into each other equally. You place this about 6 inches in front of your heart. Go ahead and close your eyes. And I'll talk you through it once. So you're inhaling with a 5 count. Sat, Nam, Wa, He, Guru. Hold the breath for 5 counts. Sat, Nam, Wa, He, Guru. And you exhale 5 counts. Sat, Nam, Wa, He, Guru. Again, inhaling 5 counts. Sat, Nam, Wa, He, Guru. Holding 5 counts. Sat, Nam, Wa, He, Guru. You're exhaling Sat, Nam, Wa, He, Guru. So please continue on your own, and if you'd like the added layer of creating that downward pointing triangle, you can imagine drawing it in the space around you with the breath. Complete one more round. And then take a deep breath in through your nose. Retain the breath, lift the pelvic floor, hold the energy, visualize clear, beautiful light held at the center of this space of refuge. This cathedral space that contains the sacred balance of the heart, the spaciousness of the neutral mind. Exhale. Again, inhale. Retain the breath. Feel this sanctuary full of light, full of clarity, a still point in the middle of a changing world. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Retain the breath. Feel the sacred chamber pulsating with radiant energy. And exhale. Joining your hands in prayer, we'll close with 3 Sat Nam. Long Sat, short Nam. Sat Sat Nam. Sat